morning begins before the city finds its voice. A quiet decision to move. The road opens, and everything unnecessary falls away. Just motion, and the air around you. Through the rhythm of the city, you stay seen without trying. Then the space widens. Heat, distance, speed. Met with ease, the ride becomes lighter, breathable, effortless, free. Moments pause, but the journey never really stops. As the sun lowers, the world shifts, but your presence stays clear. Through every light, every shadow, you move with quiet confidence, day into night. The ride continues. Buzzinga Jacket by JAG, built for the ride that never stands still.